I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will need admin access to your router or access to your Wi-Fi access point settings. Log in using the router IP or the companion app provided by the manufacturer. Write down your router login and backup password in a secure place before making changes. Remember that disabling QR sharing affects devices already connected by scanning the QR code. Have your primary device connected by Ethernet or existing Wi-Fi for safety. Proceed only if you understand administrative access and recovery methods. Open the router web UI at the router IP and log in with admin credentials. Navigate to the Wireless, Wi-Fi, or Guest Network Settings tab shown in the menu. Locate the QR code or Wi-Fi sharing option under Network Security or Guest Access. Uncheck the QR code box or toggle off Wi-Fi sharing, then save and reboot the router to apply changes. Confirm that the QR image no longer appears in the admin UI or companion app. If available, update firmware before repeating these steps. If using a companion app, open network settings and disable QR sharing there instead of the web UI. Change your SSID password to a new strong passphrase to invalidate any already distributed QR codes. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and at least 12 characters for best results. Test the change by scanning a printed or saved QR code to ensure it no longer grants access. Finally, document the new credentials and store them in a secure password manager for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.